Description at a link is showing one touch. Then it comes to a place like this. Touch the Join Expert option. Give Play Store. Download data. After downloading, turn it on. Touch the 3 cracks on the body. Touch the login button below. Touch the register. Enter a working Gmail and password. Touch the 3 slits and touch the profile there. Just fill in what is asked here and search. I have converted an account correctly. And now there is something to do. I will bring the process of verifying the account in another video.